Okay, so today we're driving over to Coloane, and what I'm going to be doing is picking up some artwork. So there's an artist here in Coloane that has a shop, and it's a pretty cool little shop. I really like it a lot. She's always in the back doing some painting, and then she does reprints of it. And I'm going to get actually a reprint. I wouldn't mind getting the original too, but today I'm getting a reprint. So I ordered it a few weeks ago, and today I'm going to go pick it up. So I'm going to bring the camera with me. I'll show you a little bit of Coloane to the store, and then we're gonna go in and take a look. So it should be pretty cool. And here we are already in Coloane village, by the way. Okay. Hey, welcome to Macau. We're documenting the streets and seeing what it all looks like in 2023 for you. Okay, here we are in Coloane. So you got the typical black and white tiles with the beautiful waterfront right there, and right over here is a biblioteca. So we got all kinds of cool stuff in this type of village. I could definitely explore through all this stuff as well, but I think what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to give a little 360, and then we're just going to walk up to the shop, show you the artwork, and Lily is the artist, and she is open to the camera as well, because I brought my camera in there a few times, and I think it's also good just to kind of promote her work as well. So let's get an ice cream shop right over there, get some artwork. So we're gonna basically go around one block. So if you're trying to find this space, it's relatively easy. The first thing you have to do is just get to this waterfront here, and looks like something new right out there. Don't know if I've noticed that, but there's some speedboats, ships coming in. The ship that's docked over there, that's the Hengqin side. That's the University of Macau side. That's also Hengqin. Hengqin is part of China, and Coloane is directly across from that. And to get to Lily's shop, we could go directly right through this alley, but there's also some kind of cool artwork over there too. So I feel like, oh, that's interesting. Didn't really notice that too. That says, it says "Marry Me" right there. That's a nice little gesture. That somebody put that up like that. There must be a nice story behind that. So anyways, we're going to be going directly that way, but that's kind of cool because we got an ice cream shop there, got this whole waterfront right here, artwork, and we're going to walk around to this artwork as well. There's some beautiful what do you call that? It's like that church, I can't remember the name. But anyways, a lot of people will take photos of this area. So it is a really beautiful area, especially that artwork right there. And we're gonna go around the corner. So if you are trying to find the Lily's art shop, follow the art. This art is of other people, of course. So Coloane attracts artists here. There's another Portuguese guy that's out here too. There's quite a few. But he has an art studio out here. Okay, so anyways, we're going to come around to this alley. So this is the alley that we're gonna go to. And let me see, this says Paint Uncle Lee. Kind of cool stuff. Anyways, Rua do Caetano is where the shop is at. So we're gonna walk over there. Hopefully she's okay with me walking in with the camera today. I think it's a rainy day, so I don't know if it'll be much of a problem. But on the weekends, there can be quite a few people around. That bamboo, that looks cool. And I can't remember those. What are they called? Stone Miro? Anyways, there's a name that I'm looking for those church stained glass. So that goes back to the waterfront again. So of course we could have went right through here, but I wanted to go around and kind of highlight the other artwork as well. And this one is Lily's shop right here. think I need to get, that looks pretty cool right there. So let me just kind of show this one real quick. So this is, let me put my mask on as well. And there's also some, pretty cool, okay. So let's go in, take a look. So these are all prints here. I'm gonna go up there in a minute. Let's see. Hi Lily. Hi. I'm gonna go pick up that one.
Oh, okay.
I also have the YouTube camera, so I'll just show. Okay. And this is the one I'm gonna get, this reprint right here.
Hi.
Hello Lily.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Okay, your copy. This is the original.
That's the one right there.
Print is here. Amma Temple.
Amma Temple.
Yeah. And this is the print.
That looks really nice.
Yeah. So if only the print is the 100, but if include this is the frame is 300.
That's
so,
good price.
So you will take all of just
the frame.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
so
a nice frame too.
300.
That's
okay.
perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
I really like that a lot. That's great. Really. Thank you.
This is the Amma Temple, you know, nearby the
Bara.
the border.
Yeah, Bara.
The border. Yeah, the Bara.
B-A-R-R.
Yeah. So it's the corner of Amma Temple, and this is circle, and this is the rectangle.
I really like that a lot.
Okay.
What does that say in?
万派朝宗. It's like the Jesus, you know, it's all the religious, include all the religious, not only the Buddha, not only the Jesus. If it's like for the beauty, you believe the beauty, believe the nature, believe the love, it's all.
I really like that.
Yeah, we can say 万派朝宗.
That looks really cool.
So.
I think it's perfect.
Hi.
I like that a lot.
Thank you for your support.
Yeah, this is perfect. This will look great.
So we prepare packaging.
So I got the videos. So I'm gonna hand the camera over.
Okay.
And I have it with the beautiful background with the Buddhist as well. So it's a video camera. And then also
this one is the
video.
Video. Oh. Video. Yeah.
And then maybe flip it like that. That's perfect, like on that side. Actually, this is really good because I can get the background as well. Yeah. And we got Macau
Tower. And this is the copy mini Eiffel.
Nice. Thank you, Lily.
Yeah, for you. Thank you for your
So Lily's going to give these to me, all the new prints.
Yeah, the new prints, the new, yeah.
Thank you so much.
If the new I will. Also, this is the night of Eiffel Tower.
Oh, okay.
You want?
Sure.
One more for you. Yeah.
I'll just drop it in there. I hope it's okay.
Do you want that?
Thank you, Lily.
Thank you.
So I'm going to go out and I'll walk through and
Do
film
you
it.
have umbrella?
I think I'm okay because I have this hood right here.
You are very free. Happy.
Thank you, Lily.
See you.
So we're gonna walk out a little bit, and I'm just gonna show the store from this side. So this is one particular side. This is called the Largo de Font, and we're just gonna walk out real quick and just show you some of the artwork. Then we're gonna go back through again. So that was pretty cool. We got some really beautiful artwork here. And I'll probably film a little bit out here later for a separate video, but I wanted to highlight this one because this is a really beautiful plaza and she has a really beautiful space. So we're just gonna walk through it real quick. All right. So we're just gonna come through. I'm just gonna highlight some of the stuff. So there's all these prints, there's magnets as well. Actually, those magnets are pretty cool. this is the one that I got right there. The magnets are, I might actually come in and get a magnet in a minute. Those look really nice. So we'll finish the video all the way through. And she has all this artwork here too. So hopefully we can have some more awareness that her shop is here. And there's also a restaurant downstairs too. And I'm gonna come in and probably look at some more prints in a minute. I like that one too. Looks really cool. Okay, so we're just gonna pass through to the other side, and then we'll actually it's a really nice view right there too, like that. Some really nice images. Oh, they have the
Chinese New Year the rabbit.
That's right.
Yesterday I printed this one. The model is happy for heart. The brand of the rabbit is pray for heart.
That's cool.
Yeah, pray for heart.
I like that one.
Yeah, it's pray for heart.
Oh, okay.
And I just printing this one
Nice.
for Chinese New Year.
That's right, Happy New Year.
Yeah.
It's next week coming.
Yeah.
I like that one.
Next year, maybe we will make some repackaging, repackaging for Chinese New Year.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this year is too late, so now is no time to print.
Yeah. 2023.
Yeah, Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year.
Happy Lunar, Chinese Lunar New Year. Hi, show us. Thank you.
Thank you, Lily.
Thank you,
So we're gonna come back out. So that's the name of the gallery, and then we're gonna come back out, and then I'm gonna end this video. And then I'm gonna go back in, and I'm gonna probably buy a couple of a few new things in there because it's a really cool space. Oh, that's also looks kind of cool there. All kinds of new stuff. That looks like a Thai restaurant, Sawadika. Okay, so this is on this little alley right in here, and another great little video in here. And so yeah, support this art shop. I'm gonna go in and take a look at some more stuff. And just to end, I just got this little magnet as well. I couldn't resist because it's such another little beautiful piece of artwork in here. So yeah, it's really great stuff that she does in the shop. So definitely come out and support the shop for sure. Hey, welcome to Macau. We're documenting the streets and seeing what it all looks like in 2023 for you.